Welcome to my channel. Are you facing weak Wi-Fi signals in some parts of your home? In this video, I'll show you how to set up Xfinity Comcast xFi pods step by step to improve your Wi-Fi coverage and eliminate dead zones easily. Step 1. Unbox the xFi pod. Start by unboxing your Xfinity xFi pod. Inside the box, you'll find the pod and setup instructions. Make sure your Xfinity gateway is already connected and working properly. Step 2. Download the Xfinity app. Now download and install the Xfinity app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log in using your Xfinity account credentials. Step 3. Plug in the xFi pod. Plug the xFi pod into a wall outlet located halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Wait for the light indicator to become active. Step 4. Add the pod in the app. Open the Xfinity app and go to the Devices section. Tap Add Device and select xFi pod. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin pairing. Step 5. Connect and activate the pod. The app will automatically detect the xFi pod and connect it to your network. Wait a few moments while the setup completes and the pod activates. Step 6. Test Wi-Fi coverage. Once setup is complete, test your Wi-Fi signal in the previously weak areas of your home. If needed, adjust the pod placement for better performance. And that's it. Your Xfinity Comcast xFi pod is now successfully set up and ready to boost your Wi-Fi coverage. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. For instant help, call 1-803-381-0141.